Hey everyone, I'm Paco. In 2026, I decided this was my year. I lost 50 pounds without gym, jumping, or hunger. Feeling tired, overweight, or low on energy? Stick around. This simple plan changed everything for me, and it can for you too. Before, I felt weak all day long. I tried extreme diets and intense workouts but kept failing. In 2026, I switched to consistency and easy home workouts. Now, I have more energy and sleep better. You can do this too, no excuses. Begin a low-impact workout routine. It starts with arm circles, marching, hip circles, light stretches for warm-up. Strength exercises 3 times a week include chair squats, wall push-ups, glute bridges, shoulder presses, and marching in place. Rest 60 to 90 seconds between exercises. Light cardio 2 to 3 times weekly, such as walking, cycling, swimming, or dance, starting 15 to 20 minutes. Progress by adding reps, rounds, or resistance bands after 4 weeks. Rest 60 to 90 seconds between exercises. 7-day high-protein, high-fiber meal plan for Monday to Wednesday meals including Greek yogurt, chicken salad, grilled salmon, oatmeal, turkey wrap, tofu stir-fry, scrambled eggs, tuna salad, and more. Thursday to Sunday meals include protein smoothies, quinoa bowls, baked cod, Greek yogurt parfaits, grilled shrimp salad, oatmeal, grilled chicken bowls, veggie omelet, lentil soup, steak, plus key tips like hydration, sleep, and calorie deficit. 2026 is the year of real strength and lasting results. Commit to this plan, share your goals, and subscribe for more tips. Let's go all in. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more health tips and share your progress below. Subscribe.